Rain captured calling Kim Tae Hee, Noah behind the scenes in the couple's boyfriend massage chair CF making film. Luxury massage chair brand Bodyfriend recently revealed a new behind-the-scenes making film featuring the brand's endorsement couple Rain and Kim Tae Hee. In the making film, Rain and Kim Tae Hee can be seen playing the role of a perfect couple, demonstrating a warm and cozy family atmosphere. While monitoring the result, the filming director commented, "You look like such a family." However, hearing this, Kim Tae Hee joked toward Rain, "Oh, you look so fake," using a play on words. Rain then turned to Kim Tae Hee and said, "Noah, how can you say that? Do you honestly mean to say that I am not like that at home in real life?" Half kidding and half admitting to his real side at home. Sarcastically, Kim Tae Hee turned away and matured, because there are making cameras around, hinting that she would refrain from telling the truth. Viewers strongly reacted to the rare occasion in which Rain was captured referring to his wife Kim Tae Hee informally. Using the term "Noana," typically Rain would refer to Kim Tae Hee on broadcast very formally. Using Kim Tae Hee, she, netizens commented, "Rain is the textbook example of a younger boyfriend. Cute, manly, with a Yu-Gi-Oh! And playful personality. OMG," he said. "Noana, why is my heart fluttering at that?" So he calls her Noana. I mean, of course, that would be totally normal, but still, why I am the one getting all fluttery hearing him say Noana. OMG, that Noana sucks a hug guy with so much yago and more.